When you're ready to start building an email list, you'll need an email marketing service to collect email addresses and deliver your messages. There are a ton of different solutions out there, and it would probably take hours to go through all of them. MailChimp and AWeber are the two I've used extensively, so I'd like to talk briefly about each of them. First, MailChimp. So MailChimp is the service I typically recommend to new businesses just getting started because they offer a package that's totally free for your first 2,000 subscribers. With that said, if you ever go over 2,000 subscribers, you will have to pay, but they're pretty affordable. Their rates start at $10 a month. I should also mention that free accounts have a MailChimp logo in the bottom of their emails, which isn't a huge deal, but it can conflict with your branding. One of MailChimp's big selling points is its intuitive, beginner-friendly interface. It's really easy to get started even if you've never done email marketing before. For paying customers, it also offers autoresponders, which allow you to send a series of time-delayed messages after people join your list. And then we have AWeber, which starts at $19 a month. First and foremost, AWeber has one of the highest, if not the highest, deliverability rates in the business. So when you send an email with AWeber, you know for a fact that it's going to reach people and not get caught in a spam filter. That is a huge selling point. AWeber also has amazing customer support. When I first signed up, I got a personal phone call welcoming me to the service and asking if I had any questions. And if you ever need a hand, you can reach AWeber's support team by phone, email, or live chat, and they are ridiculously helpful. Like MailChimp, AWeber allows you to set up an autoresponder series, but instead of sending relative to the subscriber's sign-up date, they send relative to the previous message. What that means is you can easily rearrange your series and switch up the order with a drag-and-drop interface without having to edit each individual message. So that is a really convenient feature. AWeber isn't quite as beginner-friendly as MailChimp, but it's not hard to learn. Once you get used to it, it is a breeze. If you're willing to pay for your email service, I highly recommend going with AWeber. The ROI is just phenomenal for the price. If you're not ready to shell out money just yet, MailChimp's free option is still a great value. And by the way, there are plenty of other services out there. I've heard positive things about Constant Contact, GetResponse, ConvertKit, Campaign Monitor. These are just the two I have the most experience with. Feel free to do your own research and go with the service that best meets your needs. As long as you're building a list, you're on the right track.